my channel. I'm very happy for you guys to be here. This look is bronzy and super easy. Let me tell you, for my crease I have used my contour palette, and the eyeshadow I use is from the collab with BH Cosmetics and Carli Bybel. Very easy look to achieve, and I feel like it looks so pretty on our brown girls, melanin girls, you know. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please keep on watching. I am starting this tutorial with my eyebrows already done, and as a primer on my eyelids I have used the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Fair, and to set my base I will go ahead with the Rimmel London Stay Matte powder. And for my transition color I will be using my Nicka Duo Contour palette, and I'm starting with the lightest shade of this palette. And to deepen my crease furthermore, I will go ahead and use the darkest shade of the palette. For my eyes, I will be using the BH Cosmetics times Carli Bybel Deluxe palette, and I will go ahead with this shade all over my crease. So I'm really taking my time to pack this color on my crease. And in the middle, to make it shine a little bit more, I went ahead with this golden lighter color. Now I'm blending the edges of the shimmery shades. For foundation today, I will be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation in the color Coconut, and I will be blending this out using my Real Technique sponge, which is damp by the way. I wanted to add more coverage, so I added a little bit more on my cheeks. This is where I have a lot of dark spots. Now for contour, I'm using the NYX Conceal.Correct. For contour, I'm using the NYX Conceal.Correct.Contour palette in the color Deep, and I will be contouring my cheekbones, my forehead, my nose, and I will be blending this out using a kabuki brush and also my e.l.f. brush. Conceal, I will go ahead and use my L'Oreal True Match concealer in the color Neutral Light Medium, and I will be concealing under my eyes and my lips, my chin, no, not my lips, but my my mustache, air quotes, my forehead, the bridge of my nose. I will be blending this out using my Real Techniques sponge. To set my concealer, I will use my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the color Deep. To set the rest of my face, I will be using the same powder but in the color dark. Now I will be setting my contour using my contour palette from Nicka. I'm sorry if I sound a little bit weird. It's because I'm sick. I've been sick for 3 days now and I can't wait to feel better. Now I'm contouring my nose, taking my time. Now I went ahead and complete my eyes using my contour palette. So I used the lightest shade of the contour palette to smoke out my lower lash line. For blush, I'm using my 21 Forever Love and Beauty Ultimate Matte Blush Palette. I really love this palette because it has a lot of colors and it's very pigmented. To highlight, I will be using my BH Cosmetics times Carli Bybel palette. And I will be highlighting my cheekbones, if that makes sense. No. Anyways, I don't know how we call this part of the face, but yeah. The top of my cheeks, Cupid's bow, nose, bridge of the nose, and inner tear duct. And to contour my lips, I will be using my NYX Conceal.Correct.Contour palette. This is a trick that I've seen by this girl on Instagram. Her name is Beats by Deb, I think. I will link her profile down below. And for lipstick, I will be using my Maybelline The Elixir Color Sensations in the color Nude Illusions. And that's it for today. Okay, so this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed this bronzy look, and like I said, it was so easy to achieve because I used my contour palette and the Carli Bybel times BH Cosmetics. Is it the other way around? BH Cosmetics times Carli Bybel. And yeah, I really hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And please, before you leave, do not forget to subscribe. And I will see you on my next one. Mwah.